Hi guys, how are you all? Welcome back to Soulful Knowledge. So in my channel, I'm posting regarding Kundalini awakening and spiritual awakening. So if you are all interested in this, you can follow my channel. So I'm posting in both the languages, in Tamil as well as in English. So if you wanted to see only in English version, you can check my playlist, that is Soulful Knowledge English. So I've almost covered about the Kundalini awakening and the Kundalini energies. Like almost 7 chakras I've explained, and in detail I've explained about from Mooladhara to Ajna chakra, that is the third eye chakra. You can check all those details. So if you see, spiritual awakening itself is a vast subject. It's like a universe itself. So in that, Kundalini is actually one sector of spiritual awakening only. So almost I have explained about those 7 chakras, and not only that, about the energies also I have said about the masculine and feminine energy. So that is the Ida Nadi, Pingala Nadi and Sushumna Nadi. So if you see the Kundalini, it's a combination of these 7 chakras and these 3 types of energies. So if you think spiritual awakening is everything about these things, so already Kundalini itself is so complicated, and the knowledge related to this is very intense and complicated. But the truth is, spiritual awakening is much more than that. So Kundalini is just a one sector of spiritual awakening. So there is much more details and higher dimensions if you enter into spiritual awakening. We'll keep this Kundalini in one side because I've already explained all those details. And now we are going to enter into the another sector of spiritual awakening. So today I'm going to tell you about what is this universe made of, and what are we all made of, and who are we all in this universe. So this is the biggest mystic we can tell. This is the biggest secret or mystic in this whole world or whole universe, that everyone are trying to find out who we are all, what we are doing here. So today I'm going to reveal all those things, and even I don't know like the everything about all the knowledges and all the aspects of the universe and about us. Today I'm going to bring you or travel to the path of knowing who we are all. So as I enter in these topics, I would like to have an open mind, to have an imagination mind and an expanded mind, so that as I tell, you can imagine and visualize, so that we can get into the deep topics about us and about the universe. So first thing is, what is the whole universe is made of? So anyone can recollect what is about? Yes, it's about the energies. So we all know that there are only 3 types of energy. One is the positive energy, one is the negative energy, and one is the neutral energy. So for sure we know that the whole universe and the whole existence is made of only 3 types of energy. So positive energy, negative energy and neutral energy. So let it be ourselves as humans. So let it be the earth, the sun, the moon, the planets. So the revolving asteroids and other planets around us. Let it be the galaxies, all other several millions and billions of galaxies around us. So let it be the universe. So we all know that universe is made of dark matter, dark energy. So everything, if you sum off, so even dark matter, dark energies, those atoms, everything is made of 3 things. One is positive energy, one is negative energy, and one is neutral energy. So you know that what I am talking of. So what I am trying to tell is, so As we know, this positive energy represents the proton and this negative energy represents the electron, and the third one is neutron. So these are the basics thing. I think around 5th 6th standard itself we would have studied about all these energies, and we know that atom, indivisible particle, the smallest indivisible particle of matter is made of is atom. We know that atom, so inside the atom we have this three thing only. One is the electron, proton and neutron. So proton is the positive energy, so electron is the negative energy and neutron is the neutral energy. So as the name tells that positive, negative and neutral, it is nothing to do with good or bad. So it's just an energy. So the whole universe is comprised with these three types of energy. So there should be positive energy, there also should be the negative energy. So negative energy is not as the bad thing, so it is also necessary for the functioning of the universe. So whatever we think is good can also become bad after some time. So whatever we have that negative aspects or bad thing, it can change into good. So this is the law of the universe. We cannot hold on to something which is good or bad. So that's why the third energy is there, neutron, that is the neutral energy. It's a neutral aspects. There's nothing positive or nothing negative. So till this I think you would have understood what our universe is made of and what we are all made of. We are all made of also positive, negative and neutral energies. So keep in mind these three types of energies: positive, negative and neutral. So now I would like you to imagine our earth. So we are all inside our earth. We know that we all are being inside the earth and we are protected with the environment of the earth. So just imagine the earth. Just try to zoom out. Just zoom out away from, just try to imagine to zoom out away from this earth. You are zooming out to the outside space of the earth. You have reached the moon, then you have reached the other planets. Then if you further zoom out, you have reached the sun and you can see our solar system. And further, if you zoom out our solar system, we can see our Milky Way galaxy. Now, what is our earth? Can you spot our earth now? So if you see, just that I have zoomed out from our galaxy, so nowhere the earth is found. The earth is just like a dust. So not even just a dust, it just like an atom. So if you just zoom out with all the galaxies, even our galaxy becomes like an atom. So if you see, if you consider our earth like an atom, we are inside the earth. So now who we are all? We are all just the energies. We know that electrons, protons and neutrons are inside the atom. So if you just zoom out, our earth itself is like an atom. So we are just inside the atom. Now who we are all? We are all just electrons, protons and neutrons. The positive energy, the negative energy and the neutral energy. Now if you imagine and furthermore zoom out from the galaxies, from the billions of galaxies, if you zoom out, you will actually, no one knows what is the end of the universe. No one has understood the vast and majestic of universe. So if you just even more zoom out from the universe, there may be like several other universe outside. So if you even more zoom out, you can see that our universe itself is just an atom. It's just a dust. We can't even see that. We do not know the length and space and time, so we do not understand the vast space of this universe and outside this universe. So if you even more like expand your mind, zoom out, even our universe is just an atom. So what's inside the atom? What's all these galaxies? So what's all these planets? So what are these galaxies, these energies, dark matter? So everything is made of three things. One is the positive, negative and neutral. So now you would have understood that how much ever you zoom out, there is nothing. It's just an energies. It's just an atom. So everything inside an atom is made of energies. So I think you have imagined about zooming out. So zooming out of our earth, zooming out of our galaxy, so zooming out of this universe itself. So we understand that we are nothing but an dust particle or an atom. So now try to zoom in, try to zoom inside the universe, zoom inside the galaxy, zoom inside our solar system and zoom inside our earth. Imagine that you're sitting in a place, you're just facing a wall. Try to zoom inside that wall. You can see the bricks and try to zoom inside that brick. You will see the tiny particles, tiny matters and particles made of atom. Now again, it is an atom we can see when we zoom in. So again we can see that atom. So we all know that. So experimentally we saw that inside an atom there are again electrons, protons and neutrons. So now I have the biggest question for you all, for us to understand. Does a whole universe exist inside an atom? So suppose if our whole universe is an atom, we just exist inside that. And what if the atom of a brick or that matter, what if the whole universe exists inside that? I think you can get what I'm thinking of. So if suppose if we expand out, if the whole universe itself is an atom and we are just the energy inside those atoms, so what if the dust particles, what we see, that indivisible particle we see, and inside that also it's proton, neutrons and electrons. This is experimentally proved. And again, what if it is in the universe? What if it contains life inside that? So can you get what I'm telling? Can you imagine what I'm telling? So now my biggest question is, do we really exist physically? So this physical form of us is really in existential. So does it really exist? So what do you think? So what do you think, friends? So please do comment about this, what you have understood about us and what our physical reality. Is it real or it is not real? So please do comment about this. Now, so now you would have understood that who we are all. So what are surroundings? So everything is again a loop. It is like nature telling us again and again, if you zoom out or zoom in, we are just the energy particles, the protons, neutrons and electrons. So we are just inside an atom and we are just energy particles, and with this limited knowledge we are thinking that we are everything. So we should understand that in this majestic universe or in this majestic existence, we know nothing about this. That's why spirituality starts from the point when we understand that we have not known about anything outside our mind, that's where the spirituality starts. So already I've explained about what is spirituality. So spirituality is nothing but the unknown science, the unknown existence about ourselves and about the existence around us. True fact is, when someone is spiritually awakened, so you can see many people making videos trying to explain. So many of them will first start with quantum physics. So quantum physics is something to deal with atoms, so all these energy particles, protons, neutrons and electrons. So if you see, so many of us who spiritually awaken will start from this point only, about quantum physics. So this thing, that is spirituality, teaches us, the first lesson it teaches us is, you are nothing. You are nothing at all and you don't know anything. So when we deeply understand this, or deeply accept this fact that we are nothing and we do not know anything about the existence, that is when the door opens for you. The door of knowledge opens for you. That is when you will start to observe many things. You will start to question many things. You will try to learn many things. So this is just the starting point. There's no end for the knowledge. It is unlimited. It is infinite. The knowledge and intelligence, it is infinite. So as I told, the fifth element is Akash. So Akash or cosmic is just full of knowledge. So Akash is just infinite. So knowledge is infinite. So if someone tells I know everything, so you just remember that that is the full stop for knowing things. So you should be bare minded. You should accept the fact that we don't know anything. So how much ever we learn, there's no limit for that. It is unlimited. The knowledge is really unlimited. So that is why in spirituality it is very important. The first thing to do is surrender to the nature. So you should understand that we are nothing at all. Just surrender to the nature, and this nature will teach us everything. This nature will nurture us. So believe in the nature. So believe in the existence. So okay guys, I think now you would have understood that who we are all. So what is this mystical and majestic universe is made of? So it's very simple. It is just three things: the positive energy, the negative energy and the neutral energy. Just keep this in your mind. So okay guys, I hope so all this information would have been useful for you. So this is just the beginning of the journey, and it's lots more infinite knowledge to share. So thanks for watching. So this is Shobna. Bye from Soulful Knowledge.